3D shearing. 3D shearing in computer graphics refers to the process of distorting an object along one or more of its axes in a three-dimensional space. Shearing is achieved by transforming each point in the object using a shearing matrix. Here is an example to demonstrate 3D shearing in computer graphics. Suppose we have a cube with the vertices 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1 and 3, 3, 3, and we want to shear it along the x-axis by a factor of 0.5 in the y direction. The steps to perform the shearing would be as follows. Represent the original cube by its vertices in a 3D coordinate system. Define the axis and the shearing factor along that axis, in this case the x-axis, and a factor of 0.5 in the y direction. For each vertex in the cube, transform its coordinates using the 3D shearing matrix. X is equal to x. Y is equal to y plus 0.5 asterisk x. Z is equal to z, where x, y, z are the original coordinates of the vertex, x, y, z are the sheared coordinates. Plot the sheared cube using the updated vertices. Repeat the shearing as many times as desired to achieve the desired effect. In computer graphics, 3D shearing is a useful operation that can be used to create objects with slanted or tilted appearances, such as inclined buildings or sloping terrain. It can also be used to create visual effects, such as a skewed perspective or a distorted image. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.